Headlights are an obvious crash avoidance feature that help prevent nighttime crashes. Over half of fatalities occur at night, and almost 25% occur on unlit roads.
The track is ready, you can begin your run.
When we first started evaluating headlights in 2016, there weren't very many vehicles that performed well. We have seen some improvement. For 2018, about half of the vehicles earn a good or acceptable rating, but there's still a significant number of vehicles that only earn a marginal or poor rating on their best available headlight. Good rated headlights are required to qualify for our 2018 Top Safety Pick Plus award. And only 2 vehicles are available with good headlights across all trim lines. Those are the 2018 Genesis G90 and the 2018 Lexus NX. The 2018 Hyundai Kona offers both good rated LED headlights and poor rated halogen headlights. In our testing, the good rated LEDs illuminate the right edge of the road at 450 feet, compared to only 220 feet for the poor rated halogen headlights. Often, good rated headlights are only available on the expensive trim lines or in expensive packages. An example is the 2018 Honda Ridgeline, which will cost you almost $12,000 more to get good rated headlights. The 2018 Kia Soul is only available with good rated headlights when you pay $26,000. In comparison, a base model with poor rated headlights is only $16,000. We've seen some improvement since our initial testing in 2016, but consumers shouldn't have to buy a fully loaded vehicle in order to get good rated headlights. All new vehicles should come with good rated headlights.